Whoa, whoa, whoa. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Hold on, let me stop the music because otherwise we have to beep, 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 beep. Started smoking rules at 16 and running up in gates and Anyway, good morning. I've been gone for a while. I just woke up now. Last night was a friend's birthday. We ended up drinking lots of stupid shit and somehow I'm hungover. Somehow, but you know what I mean, somehow. It's about 1:37. Bing, 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 bing. And I'm cooking asparagus, making my coffee. It's nice and shiny, nothing happens. And then I'm gonna have eggs, mushrooms, and another stuff. Anyway, changes happen. I saw on the last video, I did actually had bought a boat, a yacht. It's broken, but it's good. It's kind of funny when I tell people about the yacht, but it's broken. Well, it's fixable. When I say it's broken, the engine is broken. Otherwise, will be if it would have the engine broken, would have been way too expensive. So I wouldn't have got a boat or a yacht. But that's gonna be my office for art. That's gonna be my office. I'm gonna do videos there. I will even tattoo there. And that's a fact. That's not even a joke. I will tattoo. Probably gonna tattoo myself first. So pretty much, those are the news, man. Those are the news. I moved in Miami on the 38th. I'm going to New York. I'm gonna do a road trip. Actually, I'm gonna make a video about it. I'm gonna do a road trip to New York from Miami Beach next weekend to bring the rest of the stuff. I've been fucking paying rent in New York because I didn't give them notice, or I got somebody fuck me over, like a good friend, made sure that he penetrate me. Really good when that's what happens when you trust people. And I will say how people are, they wait for the last second to just fucking. So anyway, that's a different story, different topics, different fucking bullshit, and I don't really care because those kind of people always gonna fucking lose in life. They take advantage, but they lose a lot more. For few money, for some lies, they lose friendship, they lose things they're never gonna get back. And me, I gonna give back this. Because I'm an adult. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. Now what I'm give a fuck is about this. Now we're talking. So yeah. So much that much happened. That sounded pretty good. Let me put my camera here. So pretty much that what happened so far. It's good. I love Miami. I haven't started working yet. Hold on, I'm doing this. I haven't started working yet. I needed a week of, sorry, a month off, man. It's not even a month. But anyway, I needed time off. I needed to step back a little bit from this, from tattooing, because not everything is about money. I mean, money is necessary, but not everything. Actually, when I start painting, let me show you the fucking painting I done, man. Let me see what I'm doing. Let me show you what I'm doing. This shit is huge. So I've been working on this one. Actually, I've been working on this one for the last week and a half. I want to finish it this week, man. I want to finish it this week, and start a new one. I want to start a series. So basically, even if I was doing nothing, I was still productive. That's a good thing, I think. 1 second, guys, 1 second. So I'm guessing it's still productive somehow. It's not. Excuse me, it's still productive somehow. Let me put this one down. Second. I think it's still productive somehow. And I need to step back from tattooing only because once in a while I need that holiday, man, the pure holiday. I barely answer emails. I mean, I start making appointments in February, and I have actually appointments in February. I have to go to New York. I'm already booked there for 10 days, and I'm gonna start tattooing in here. But you need to step back sometimes, man. It's like, I mean, everything is money, everything is this, I need money, but it's just, I need to step back to fucking mentally recharge myself. Which I did. And that's why I'm start working on some art pieces. I'm still gonna do more. So it's still productive, man. It's still productive. My goal is to this year to focus more on actually art like that, and I want to be in some art galleries. That's the reason I'm on Miami, the weather. I want to do art galleries. I want to focus more on mental, more soul. Corazione spinato, more soul searching. I'm in a happy place in my life, man. I'm in a happy place in my life, and it's good because that's important, man. We're all running to get rich, and we all die fucking trying. It reminds me of that album of the one who gets shot on every album. 50! That shit is good. So this vlog seems to be in one piece. Oh, another thing, vlogging. I want to start doing a lot more vlogs. So basically, this year I want to focus at least once a week to put a vlog. I posted something yesterday, but I need to focus more to do more. I start doing a time lapse of that painting. I'm gonna do time lapse of painting. I'm gonna do things on the boat. Then I'm gonna do on the boat. Then I'm gonna do tattooing. So this is a good year. Thank you, enjoy, and welcome to my world of Miami. I'm gonna be traveling a lot too. Hold on. And I need to buy new gear. Pretty much everything's amazing. Like gonna be ninjas. Oh, and you know the channel I changed the Ninja CG. That's cool. I was thinking TV, but somebody has that thing, man, and it's already big and it's kind of hard. So I was like, fuck it. I mean, my name is Chris German, Chris motherfucking German, and I like it. It's cool, but there is something like ninja shit, you know. What do you think, guys? What do you think? What do you think to be a ninja or not to be a ninja? Oh, I have a clothing line coming up. Wear it ninja. I have a lot of shit happening actually. I'm gonna talk in details later. I have a lot of plans, man. Apps, things, bang, tattoo machines, bang, enjoying life. Yeah, I just remember. I wanna do cooking videos, man. Cooking videos. It's missing. I love cooking. Actually, I love cooking. Cooking, and I wanna do cooking videos. That's how I wanna do. Because look at this stuff, man. It's so easy to cook. Basically, I put asparagus, then I put mushrooms, and I put this stuff so far. And I put garlic. Oh, it's garlicky. Anyway, it's simple, man. It's simple. So I'm gonna start doing some cooking videos. People can cook the way I cook. I love cooking, man. I love cooking. Always will. And I love eating too. Now when I come to eating, I wouldn't go all the way from here to wherever the fuck it is to get a meal. I'll cook it at home. Now, I wouldn't spend $500 on a fucking meal either, man. I mean, if I have the money, I would. Don't get me wrong. If I'll be multi-millionaire, I would. But right now, I wouldn't. I think it's, you know, I wouldn't spend $200 on a bottle of champagne either. I think it's stupid. But hey, somebody has the money, wants to do it, they should fucking do it. They should fucking do it. Alright, so this is that simple. And then I do this. Simple. Cooking is simple, man. Cooking is simple. Yeah, so I need to start. Oh, I got something in my fucking eye. Anyway, I need to start. Hold on. I need to start doing a lot more videos. I mean, tattooing videos are gonna be done. I'm vlogging, man. Vlogging. Let me know if you like my vlogging. Probably, actually, I can see it's stupid, you know. I can see being stupid, there's nothing wrong with that. I mean, I don't really watch people's vlogs, that's a fact. I mean, I don't watch TV, man. I don't watch people's videos, I don't watch this and that, I don't know. I'm trying to keep myself busy. So I don't even know real vlogging videos has to be. I mean, I saw that guy Cassidy, whatever is his name. I mean, if everybody does videos like him, it's bullshit. I'm not saying mine or his, I'm saying it's a, I don't know how to, but I didn't watch much enough so to have which one has a style of what's the topics or how it works, but I'll try. I'll try to just be me, be fun, have fun, make fun, do shit. You know, I think when it comes to vlogging, tattooing video is one thing. I do tattoos, right? So, but when it comes to vlogging, I think it's something of your life, right? Your daily shit. I don't know. I don't fucking know. I burned myself. Hold on. I burned myself. I need cheese, man. I need cheese. I need cheese. Yeah, I need cheese. Cheese is good, man. So this is very simple cooking. If somebody wants the recipe, they can ask me for the recipe. I don't think so, nobody wants. But I do want to do cooking stuff. And I'm gonna have like breakfast with me. You'll see. Oh, the camera broke. That's what I want to say. As soon as I moved from New York, my camera broke, my broadcast camera. And so my broadcast camera broke, so now I just got it today back. So now I can start doing broadcast because I want to do a live videos, man, cooking and having fun in the morning like this. I mean, it's not morning. Yeah, right? Like, yo, Chris, it's not morning. I know, but basically, you know, I get the point. Okay, 2 seconds. I fucking love asparagus. I don't have to put this camera, man. This camera should be like this. What? Oh. It looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. Pretty good. What we need forks. And that's it. Oh, yeah. How do you like my apartment so far? Yo, this apartment is gonna be deco as fuck. I'm gonna make it nice, man. You see. So next Sunday we're gonna go to New York, bring all the stuff here, whatever, most of the stuff can fit in a car. It's gonna make a road trip, and then we're gonna have fun. How fun is that? My hair? Yo, my hair probably is shit now, but I had a bad hair. Look at my glasses. Talking about what's his name, Cassie. Fucking drop. That's it. Yeah. I got my glasses. Actually, I got them for the boat, when I go out, because I lost already a pair of glasses. I bent over to pick something from the sea, and it went down. So I bought glasses that is gonna help me. They don't come off. So I'm not gonna lose them. But I remember they look like that guy Cassidy. And it's funny because I'm gonna start doing vlogs. I'm gonna look like him. But I sound Russian, so look at the bright side of the story. All right, let's see. I'm looking for a parcel FFI. I got a package. I think I got the camera, man. There you go. This is pretty smart. So basically what you do, you touch it and then you put a code in 567, enter. Check this. What the fuck? Oh, here. Fuck yeah, that was the camera. Let's see. Alright. So yeah, let me see if it's working. Excuse me, I got the camera, check this. I got a camera. Yep, so I got a camera. They sent me a brand new camera, man. I can't complain. Brand new camera. Well, the other one just stopped working randomly, and then they service, the Mevo service is amazing, man. So I use the Mevo for broadcasting, but they have an amazing service. I just text them, email them, they email me back straight up, and then they gave me some directions how to try to fix the camera. I couldn't fix it. I sent it to them, and they sent me a brand new one back. I love it. I gotta show the boat. I need to go to buy some stuff. Look at this stuff. Man, I had another one and they stole it the other day from the small boat. I'll show you. Let me check you what I do. So, it's pretty windy, man. I don't know how it's gonna affect on the camera. But I'm going to the boat. I show you how do I need to get to the boat. What do I need to do to get there? But it's a fun process. The other day was raining. Oh, look at the boat right there. The other day it was raining, so I have water in the small boat. The small boat is not a small one. Usually people here use kayaks, but I don't have one. The boat I got, oh fuck, man. I think my boat, what the fuck, hold on, my boat is, it's hit another boat, man. I'm serious, hold on a second. This is sucks, boss. Yeah. Fuck, my boat hit another boat badly, man. I think my boat is damaged. How the fuck we do this? What the fuck? Yo, it was a big storm or something, man. So my boat literally hit another boat. I think it's fucking damaged. I'll check. Fuck that. Oh man. And then this boat is full of water. Fuck my life, man. I need to move that boat, but I don't know how to move it. Fuck. Alright, let's do this. This sucks ball. This sucks balls with my balls. At least my other boat is still here, so Hell, look how much water I have on the boat, man. On the other boat, it's hitting the other boat, which I have to move it, and I don't have a clue. Yeah, I needed a boat, huh? Well, I got boat on water at the same time. Water is free, they say. Let's do this. Oh, fucking barbecue, gas. Fuck, that's what I have it. All day, every day. Man, this is the first time happens, but I think when the storm comes, but actually the real hurricane comes, it gets like this badly, man. This is the boat, and I think it's been fucking damaged. I'm serious, man. No way it should hit the other boat. And how much did it fucking move, man? It was raining yesterday, I couldn't get on the boat, and I don't even know how to move it. Actually, I don't have a clue. I hope this one is not damaged either, because I'll be back in a second. Fuck, man, I'm telling you, this is no fun, man. This is no fun. I've been doing it for a while now. There's a lot of water. I didn't realize it's so much water, but it's a big, oh, it's a big boat. Then I wanna do this, and then I need to move the boat, man. I have no idea about nothing, and I'll be very straightforward. Zero about fucking boat, zero about fucking driving, zero about that boat doesn't start anyway, but I'm gonna move it because the other boat is hitting into it. Or the other guy should move it, but I don't fucking know what people does. I'm not a pro, I'm just an engineer. Anyway, back in a sec. It's getting to the point. It's getting to the point that actually is not much love. There's not much left, man. There's not much left. That's a lot of water. Oh, what a lot of water. It's all good, it's all good. We're gonna go to the boat and the job is not finished. It's gonna be crazy today, man. It's gonna be a good video. Keep watching, keep watching, keep watching. Oh man, I had to learn to do this too. It's hard to be a sailor man. A sailor man. Luckily I did it good, because this boat can go away. It's hard to be a sailor man. It's hard to be a sailor. Oh, the fucking water, man. We'll deal with this shit later. It's hard to be a sailor man. I'm good at this, man. I'm getting better and better. Up. Go back. That's how you do it. So you do an 8. See right here? I had to learn that one. Cool. Downstairs there. Now the back side. Depends how tight you want to have it. I'll bring it. This shit is muck. The water is pretty cold. There you go. Still have water. This shit is monkey, man. I'll do more later. All right, let me show you. Hello, little boat. Whew. Fuck, this is my boat, man. There you go, my friend. There you go, my friend. That's what's up. Now, okay. 7 engine there. So the engine usually goes on that one. Lot of tools, rain, didn't wet them. Cool, that's why I bought those boxes to put all the tools in there. I need to wash my hands. Let me show you the boat. I got a battery, I don't know how to fucking set it up. I have no idea, man. I mean, I literally have no idea about boats, about cars, about bicycles. No, bicycles are bikes. Hello, it's a mess, but whew. Such a trip, man, such a fucking trip, such a trip, such a fucking trip, such a trip, such a fucking trip. We're gonna put music and then let me show you the rest. Oh, so this is a bed in there. That's a bed. I didn't have time to clean it, so basically what happened, I just got this one not a long time ago, probably a week and a half. I just moved on. I paid for it 2 weeks ago and then just moved on. A few days ago, I didn't be here a few days because I couldn't, the wind was too big, I couldn't paddle over all the way here. But I need to clean it, I need to wash it, I'm gonna put the name on. I have all ideas, I'm gonna make loads of fucking light, I'm gonna make it like a fucking amazing. And this is how it is, man. I hope he's gonna enjoy the new adventure. This I'm gonna do like I wanna do broadcasts from the boat, I wanna do videos from the boat, I'm gonna do art from the boat. I mean, it's pretty fucking amazing. Actually, it gets really, really beautiful in the evening. You just sit here, fish, and just talk shit. But anyway, this is my yacht, man. This is my yacht. I'm happy. I can tell you I'm fucking happy, man. It gets job, but you know what? I mean, it's part of a process. Also, I have to fix the engine. I need to find somebody to exchange fixing an engine for a tattoo, like a mechanic. Then I have like a $15,000-$20,000 boat right here. Loving it. Anyway, let's open some windows. All right. Apparently I'm live. I'm live. Hello, beautiful people. I am on the boat. Right. What happened? So it was raining for the last 2 days. It was windy. When I came earlier, my little boat. I showed my little boat. So this is my big boat. I got it the other day, and I need to clean it. That's why I'm here. I need to clean this motherfucker because this motherfucker needs to clean. Say hello, what's around it? What's around it? What's around it? What's around it? Anyway, this is the restroom. Bing, bing. What up? I got my sunglasses, man. Those sunglasses are for boat life. Anyway, hold on a second. Hold on. So the story goes like this, right? I came to the boat and that motherfucking little boat I show you now was full with water. Man, it took me like half an hour to trim. Luckily it didn't went under. But this is yeah, thank God. This is my fishing rod. So this one right there. So this one, which is, it's not a big, it's a small but it's not big. So this engine is gonna go there. This engine, like that one over there, doesn't work. Well, it works, but I need to fix it or somebody has to fix it. Anyway, this is my neighbor's. His boat is moving a lot, so it's banging to my boat. When I came, the boat, because apparently it was a big weather, I was banging against my boat. I think it fucked it up a little bit. But I don't know what to say. I'm not gonna say hello to the neighbors that way, like, yo, you fucked up my boat, but I will. I'm live. All right, cool. So, perfect. So, okay, I'm here. It looks good. What do I want to say? Hold on, let me put the phone. Let me put the phone. I don't know how it sounds. I don't know how it looks. But so what I was saying is. So my phone is in the pocket now, so I had signal out here. So what I was saying is, I know when I got interrupted, so this motherfucker, I'm gonna put this engine, man. With this one, we're gonna go fishing around here. Now with a big boat, I'm gonna fucking go fishing for the girls. Yeah, right? Let me show you my boat, my smaller boat. But it came with a flag too, man. How cool is this? This is like a... This is a cool image. So anyway, so those people here, it's like all these people, so they're living on the boats. Everybody lives on the boats, man. It's a nice life. And well, I live here, so my boat is parked here, and I live in that building where I have a nice swimming pool, jacuzzi, barbecue. Oh, I have a barbecue on this boat too. Check this motherfucker right there. So what happened is, so when I came today, it was full of water, literally all the way up, so it's kind of sinking. And it took me a while to get the water out. But there's a barbecue on this boat. It came with a barbecue. When I bought the boat, it came with everything. Hold on, don't find. Oh, you still have water. So this one cannot really sink, apparently. Jesus Christ. This is garbage. This is gonna go to the garbage. Hold on, let me push down in the front. And I still have water. I'm gonna deal with this shit later, but let me show the fucking barbecue. There's a barbecue. I need to clean it. So basically today I'm gonna clean the boat. That was the whole point. Today and tomorrow it's super windy, so I'm gonna clean the boat, and then I need to clean this one, and then I need to set up the batteries and the engine and everything else. So this is the issues we have, and this is the problems we don't have, and we have fishing rods. So in the evening it's pretty nice to just sit here, kind of jerking around and fish. And those guys there, they're using the canoes, and they do a lot of stuff. So this is me moving to Miami, man. I needed to do some... Where is this going? Hold on, what's going on there? Oh, that's cool. So this is me moving to Miami. I love it so far. I fucking mega love it so far. I even got fish, and it's only better to get from this point. Whoa, whoa. I don't even know how to start this, man. I'm bad. I don't have a clue about boats. So anyway, this is actually the bed in here. I found it came like this, so I need to kind of start stripping off and clean the place really good. And there's even a cooker, man, and I have my sketching books. I sit on the boat and sketch boat shit, and I love it. So look at this, man. And of course we have beers on the boat. So those are the changes. Pretty fucking amazing. Now I can't complain. Actually, I'm gonna start doing tattoos on the boat, man. How fucking cool this shit is. I'm gonna start doing tattoos on the boat. It's moving, but you know what? I'm gonna find brave people to do it. Actually, the brave one, the stupid one, is gonna be me doing it on myself, and then I'm gonna actually start doing on people if they want to get an experience like a shit tattoo. Basically, it's gonna be shit. I bet it's gonna be shit. Oh man, this is nice. Check this view, check this view. The sunsets, they're fucking beautiful actually here. Really beautiful. I love it. I love the sunsets. I mean, I'm gonna put it on now with all this stuff. I'm gonna make more videos, having live. Probably I'm gonna set up the camera and then everybody can see it. I can drop it under the water. The water is not the best. Now that's another question. There's a sewer here. Oh, a sewer. I don't even know. My spelling and my saying is wrong. So the sewer's right there somewhere. They release it, so but I don't live on the boat, so people living here, they said you can smell it, you can do this and that, and sometimes the fish or it's toxic, whatever the fuck it is. What can I tell you, man? I mean, I hope a crocodile's not gonna come and eat my dick. I mean, everything else, I don't give a fuck. It's not like I'm gonna go swimming. And there's lobsters, man. There's lobster on the rocks here. Like, there are rocks over there. They're lobsters, so I have to go and catch lobsters. I ended up with a fucking box of tools, man. Look at this shit. This one is full of tools. It came with the boat, and now I brought these boxes to put them so I can put them inside the boat. This boat is big, has plenty of space, but it still somehow is not enough or whatever. I mean, I don't have shit. With the engine, I want to put it on that boat, as I said. The problem with that one is, if it falls in the water, I'm fucked, or I can fall in the water with the thing on, and I don't even know how to start it on. I don't know how to fucking start it on, man. I'm so bad, like really fucking bad when it comes to this. I never drove a car in my life, I never will, I never gonna deal with this, but probably I will actually. And also they're gonna need a mechanic. Well, I gotta put the word out right now, and I'm gonna need a mechanic for, look at this view. I'm gonna need a mechanic, an exchange of tattoos to fix the boat engine. So it basically has a Chevrolet engine, I think, like it's a car engine apparently. So I need somebody who knows about engines to fix it, and he's gonna get tattoos. I'm gonna post it up soon, so somebody who knows how to deal with the shit. So if I fix the boat, I'm gonna have an amazing fucking yacht who's gonna run, but I'm not gonna move it because I'm scared. Talking about being scared, I need to move the fucking boat, man. So I was saying earlier, his boat is moving, and the anchor kind of moved. And when I came earlier, his boat was banging against my boat. I think I scratched it. I gonna make me feel angry. I'm like, what the fuck, but how am I gonna argue with, man? So I need to be a real man and move my boat. All said that, I don't know how to move my boat. I'll have to check. Well, the phone is ringing. Okay. Hold on a second, hold on. What up, baby? I'm on live, on Facebook Live. Say hello to Facebook Live. Cool. Right, so what are we doing now? I was cleaning the bowl a little bit. Well, I still have to clean the table. I'm gonna have a smoke, and I need to put all the keys together, man. I show. Let me show. Let me get my lighter. Look at this loser. Loser. Put them on a garbage. Okay, so my lighter, phone is here. The lighter is outside. Let's check. Man, the sunset is gonna be phenomenal. Check this. gonna end up nice. But so basically what I have to do, I have to get all of these fuckers here. Then this one is full and I have water on the bottom. Can you see it? So I'm gonna clean them up and put them on these boxes. Cool. That's my mission for now. I don't know if they're gonna get rusted. I don't know how that shit works. I don't know much about, I mean, I'm a tattooist, is not a bot mechanic. But I'll be back. Talk to you in a bit.